What is good, guys? CJ got Kicks 89 and I'm back with another sick pickup and review. Today we have got an Adidas Game of Thrones collab shoe. On the size tag it says Ultraboost X GOT. This is an Adidas Malaysia stock. This is not my personal pair, if you can tell, because I don't wear a size US 10.5. This pair was lent to me by my good friend Zarep, who just copped this shoe for this review. So let's check out what is inside of the box. Wait, just before we start off, just the standard Game of Thrones lettering all the way around. It says nothing on the bottom. Very sturdy black box, I must say. And it comes in a Yeezy style pull-out drawer shoebox. And this is the House of Targaryen Ultraboost Game of Thrones edition. Is Boost hype dead? I don't know, you tell me. Alright, starting off with the upper, we have got a prime knit upper that runs all the way from the front to the back of the shoe. You have got this very interesting mix of solar red, solar yellow, and orange up in the forefoot, which then breaks up into this mesh kind of material up here in the back. Correct me if I'm wrong here, but this was probably built on the 4.0 Ultraboost pattern. And in the back you have got Fire and Blood, and it says Fire and Blood on the other side, which is a sigil of the House of Targaryen. Alright, just highlighting some of the key features of the shoe. Aside from the prime knit upper, you have got this leather cage on the side, which is usually plastic or TPU depending on which Ultraboost you have. But this is a very nice feature to have because I think it just throws it back to the medieval times where like things were made out of leather and whatnot. And it's a really nice touch on the shoe. This feels really premium and really soft. On the heel cup in the back, you have just got this rough TPU style heel cup, which is apparent on most Ultraboost 3.0 and above. And there's no highlighting of the wording of the Ultraboost. It's just all blacked out. And on the top of the shoe, you have got this Adidas logo in cracked leather all up in the top, which is also a really premium touch. Justifies the 850 ringgit price tag. And on the back you have got this three-headed dragon, which symbolizes three of the dragons that Dany Targaryen has in the series, sorry. Standard Ultraboost laces, which is very stretchy, as I have said multiple times in all my videos. But the nice touch that you have is you've got the wording House on one side and Targaryen on this side, which just ties in the whole vibe of the house in Game of Thrones. What do I think of this shoe? I think it's a really well built Ultraboost, which I think caters a lot to the Game of Thrones fans. Oh, just forgot to mention, on the inside you have got this Game of Thrones insole, which has insignias probably of all of the different houses. Right, just your standard Ultraboost style insole, which is removable. And I think the best feature of this shoe is the all blacked out boost, which if you wear will not yellow on you, and Boost provides all day comfort. I think the way that they painted this makes it very durable and very uncrackable. I wish they would have done it to the entire bottom of the shoe, because then when you clean this up you'll be kind of miffed that you spent 850 ringgit and still have a yellowed Boost outsole, but that doesn't really matter. You've got a Continental rubber stretch web sole, which works well in all conditions. If you are planning to use this in wet and dry conditions, or if you're just planning to gym or just go for a casual run in these, which these were made for. You've got that torsion Y-bar plate, which extends all the way to this side. All the way to this side here, and also here in the back, which basically helps with the stability of the Ultraboost. Alright guys, so I think that takes care of it. This is the Ultraboost House of Targaryen edition. Thanks so much for Zarep for lending these for my review, for my channel. Stay tuned for more sneakerhead content. This is TJ Got Kicks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I am out.